ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 15-14 अहम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा. This Gita is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamshashaha Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. अहम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः. पदच्छेदे अहम वैश्वानरः भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहम् आश्रितः. प्राणापान समायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधं. पदच्छेदे प्राण अपान सम आयुक्तः पचामि अन्नं चतुर्विधं. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. प्राणापान समायुक्तः वैश्वानरः भूत्वा देहं प्राणिनाम् आश्रितः अहं चतुर्विधम् अन्नं पचामि. वाक्यांशः 1a has भूत्वा. Hence it is samana kartruka with 1c. So aham in 1c is kartrupadam for 1a also. Vakyamshah 1b प्राणिनाम देहम आश्रितः is adjectival of aham. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. वाक्यांशः 1a प्राणापान समायुक्तः वैश्वानरः भूत्वा. प्राणापान समायुक्तः, प्राणापान समायुक्त विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. प्राणः च अपानः च समौ आयुक्तौ येन सः प्राणापान समायुक्तः. प्राणः breath, respiration, the breath of life, vitality, life, vital air, principle of life, usually plural in this sense. The pranas being five: prana, apana, samana, vyana, and udana. Pranairupakosham alimasai va. हृदि प्राणो उदयपानः समानो नाभिसंस्थितः. उदानः कंठदेशस्थो व्यानः सर्वशरीरगः. The first of the five life weights, prana, is the first of the five life weights or vital airs, which has its seat in the lungs. अपाने जुभति प्राणं प्राणे पानं तथा परे. प्राणापानगति रुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपरायणाः. अपानः breathing out, respiration, opposite of prana. प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ. This was in Bhagavad Gita 5.27. One of the five life points in the body which goes downwards and out at the anus. अपनयनान् मूत्रपुरीषादेः अपानो अधोवृत्तिः वायुः नाभिस्थानः. मूत्रशुक्रवहो वायुरपान इति कीर्त्यते. समौ सम विशेषण. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा द्विवचनं. सम adjective. Same, identical, equal, as in समलोष्टाश्म कांचनः. सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जय. 2.38. समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमान शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु समसंग विवर्जितः. 12.80. Like, similar, resembling, with instrumental or genitive, or in compounds. गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रोपि नेश्वरैर्गुणैः समः. Even, level, plain, समवेशवर्तिनस्ते न दुरासदो भविष्यति. Even as number, impartial, many other meanings. Indifferent, unmoved, being a pair. आयुक्तौ आयुज धातोः अत विशेषणम् आयुक्त. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा द्विवचनं. Ayukta, past participle, appointed, charged with genitive or locative. ये तत्र ब्राह्मणा सम्मर्षिणः युक्ता आयुक्ताः. This is from Taittiriya Upanishad. कुशलोन्वेषणस्याहम् आयुक्तो दूतकर्मणि. United, joined, obtained. वैश्वानरः, वैश्वानर विशेषण. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. वैश्वानर एडजेक्टिव. वैश्वानरी फेमिनिन. Relating or common to all mankind. Fit for all men. तान होवाचैते वै खलु यूयं पृथक् इव इमम् आत्मानं वैश्वानरं विद्वांसो अन्नमर्थ. स एष वैश्वानरो विश्वरूपः प्राणोऽग्निरुदगते. प्रश्नोपनिषद. हिरण्यगर्भस्थूलेऽस्मिन् देहे वैश्वानरो भवेत्. पंचदश. यूनिवर्सल, जनरल, कॉमन. जोडियाकल. गगने तान्यनेकानि वैश्वानर पथाद् बहिः. An epithet of fire. त्वत्तः खांडवरंग तांडवनटो दूरेस्तु वैश्वानरः. The fire of digestion in the stomach. हम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रिता. प्राणापान समायुक्त पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम्. Same shloka has been quoted. General consciousness in Vedanta philosophy. The supreme being. भूत्वा भूधातोः त्वान्तं. भू सत्तायाम. To exist, to become, to be, to happen. वादी. प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. अकर्मकः सेट. वाक्यांशः 1b. प्राणिनां देहम् आश्रितः. प्राणिनां प्राणिन् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं षष्ठी बहुवचनं. प्राणिन् loiter, breathing, living, alive. Masculine, a living or sentient being, a living creature. Yaya pranina pranavantah. A man, power, vigor. देवस्योरसान्नातिः प्राणिभिः पुनराहरन्. शब्दकल्पद्रुमे प्राणी नकार. त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु प्राणाः सन्ति अस्य इति. प्राण प्लस अत इनिठनौ इति इनिः. देहं देह बॉडी पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनम्. आश्रितः आश्रि धातोः क्तविशेषणम् आश्रित. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. आश्रित पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. Used actively with an accusative. Resorting to, having recourse to. Sakila-ashramam antyamashritah. Krishna-ashritah. Krishnam-ashritah. Manushim tanum-ashritam. This is from Bhagavad Gita 9.11. Dwelling in, inhabiting, seated or resting on, stationing oneself at or on. Idam spatikataramashito bhavami. So vatayanamashritah pashyati. Dravyashito punaha. Harashritah durgashritah. Using, employing, following, practicing, observing. Madhyasthyam dharmam pravajyam kalpavruksha vashritah. Receiving anything as an inherent or integral part. Ashrita. वाक्यांशः 1c. अहम चतुर्विधम् अन्नं पचामि. अहम अस्मत् सर्वनाम. अत्र प्रथमा एकवचनम्. चतुर्विधम् चतुर्विध विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनम्. चतुर्विध एडजेक्टिव of 4 sorts or kinds. Fourfold. अन्नम अन्न फूड नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम्. अन्नम अद त अनित्यनेन अनित्यनेन अन नन according to Yask from ad adyate atti च bhutani or from a nam a abhi मुख्येन हि एतत् नतं प्रभीभूतं भवति भोजनाय भूतानां फूड इन जनरल अद्यते अत्ति च भूतानि तस्मादन्नं तदुच्यते तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद मुदोसृंग मांस मज्जास्थि वदन्त्यन्नं मनीषिणः अहमन्नं भवान् भोक्ता आई एम योर प्रे चराणाम अन्नम अचराः food as representing the lowest form in which the supreme soul is manifested being the coarsest and last of the five veshya's kosh in which the soul is clothed and passes from body to body in the long process of metempsychosis. The nutritious vesture or visible body in the world of sense, Sthula Sharira, called as Annamaya Kosha. Pachami, Pach Dhatoho, Lati, Parasmai, Uttama Purushaha, Ekvachanam. Pach, Dupachansh, Pake, to cook, Vadihi, प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट् पच् प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी पचति पचते पपाच पेचे आपक्षी अपक्त पक्ष्यति पक्ष्यते पक्तुं पक्व to cook roast dress said to govern two accusatives as Tandulanodanam Pachati. But this use is very rare in classical Sanskrit. यः पचत्यात्मकारणात् शूलै मत्स्यानि वा पक्षन् दुर्बलान् बलवत्तराः. To bake, burn as bricks, see pakwa. To digest as food, pachamyannam chaturvidam. Same shloka has been quoted. अन्वयार्थ ओवरऑल मीनिंग वाक्यांशः 1a प्राणापानसमायुक्तः वैश्वानरः भूत्वा being the digestive fire associated with the incoming nourishing and away going winds balance. वाक्यांशः 1b प्राणिनां देहम् आश्रितः dwelling within the body of living creatures. वाक्यांशः 1c अहम चतुर्विधम् अन्नं पचामि I digest the four kinds of food. छंदो विश्लेषण अहम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा अष्टक्षाणि नरो भू एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः अष्टक्षाणि अमाश्रि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका प्राणापानसमायुक्तः अष्टक्षाणि समायुक्तः एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम् अष्टक्षाणि चतुर्वि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् पञ्चदशाध्याये चतुर्दशे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. The etymology of the word Vaishwanara as obtaining in Shabdakalpatumah makes an interesting study. Vaishwanara पुल्लिंगम विश्वः च असौ नरः च इति नरे संज्ञायाम् 63129. This is the sutra reference of from अष्टाध्यायी. इति दीर्घः ततो विश्वानर एव स्वार्थे अन् यद्वा विश्वानरान् इतः लोकात् लोकान्तरं नयति इदमर्थेन विश्वानराणां नेतृत्वेन संपद्यन्ते वा कर्मार्थप्रणेतृत्वेन सम्पादिनः अस्य वैश्वानरः अन्येषामपि दृश्यते. This is again Sutra number 63137. इति दीर्घः अपि वा विश्वान् जन्तून् अरः. विश्वान् अरः वैश्वानरः ऋगतौ इत्यस्य छान्दसत्वात् पदाद्यच् पदादि अच् उपपदविभक्तेः च अलुक् सर्वाणि भूतानि अरः प्रत्युतः प्रतिगतः प्रविष्टति विश्वानरः प्राणः तेन जन्यमानत्वात् तस्यापत्यं वैश्वानरः इति निघण्टुटीकायां देवराज यज्वा. Agnihi, that is the final meaning. The final meaning of Vishwanara is Agni. But relating this with the etymology, Vishwan Naran Itaha Lokat Lokantaram Nayati. Vaishwanaraha is that Agni which carries Nayati, all men, Vishwanaran, from this world, Itaha Lokat, to another world, Lokantaram. So maybe Vaishwanaraha is Agni of the funeral pyre. As such, Agni, fire, is seen in different forms, which fact is very well stated as Agnir Yathaiko Bhuvanam Pravishto Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bhuva Ekastha Sarvabhutantaratma Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bahishya. This is in Kathopanishad. The spark at the tip of a scented stick is also Agni. What erupts from a volcano is also Agni. But as mentioned in this shloka, Vaishwanaraha is that Agni which digests the food in physiologies of all the zoological world. But as per another connotation in Mandukya Upanishad, Jagrate sthano bhishprajnah saptangah ekonavimshati mukha sthula bhug Vaishwanaraha prathamaha padaha. So Vaishwanaraha is the first of the four steps of progress of the soul. Ayam Atma Chatushpat. Mandukya Upanishad 2. So Vaishwanaraha is that first step when the soul is Jagrita Sthana, consciousness of being awake, and Bhishprajna, responsive to external instincts, as being sensitive by the five sense organs of the bodies of zoological world, Praninam Deham Ashritaha. One such function is to digest food, Pachamyannam Chaturvidham. The word Pranapana Samayuktaha has the component words Prana, Apana, Sama, Ayukta. The thought Prana, Apana, Sama, holding Prana and Apana in balance, Sama, was mentioned earlier in Pranapana Gati Ruddhva Pranayama Parayanaha 4-29 as a method of pranayama by nullifying the movements of Prana and Apana. Pranapana Gati Ruddhva, nullifying the movements. This thought was also mentioned in Pranapanam Samo Kurtva Nasabhyantara Charinam 5-27. One who would practice this and one who is Vigatecha Bhakrodaha, free of desires, fear and anger, is an emancipated soul. Vigatecha Bhakrodo Yas Sada Mukta Evasaha 5-28. The mention Praninam Deham Ashritaha Aham Chaturvidham Annam Pachami. Dwelling within the body of living creatures, I digest the four kinds of food, brings to mind an explanation that he is the digestive juice. Of course, the digestive juices are an integral part of our physiology, rather of the physiologies of all the zoological world. The word praninaha is an inclusive word, including all the zoological world. The phrase Chaturvidham Annam, four kinds of food, is not cryptic. The four kinds of food are Bhaksha, anything to be eaten by biting, Leyha, anything to be eaten by licking, Chushya, anything to be taken in by sipping, Peya, anything to be taken in by drinking. Actually, Lakshya, Leyya, Chushya, Peya are not exactly four types of food. They are rather four ways of intake of food, including water or any liquid. In Rajanighantu, food is said to be of eight types. भोज्यं पेयं तथा चूष्यं लेह्यं खाद्यं च चर्वणं निष्पेयं चैव भक्ष्यं स्यात् अन्नम् अष्टविधं स्मृतम्. In a square diet, note a square has four equal sides. The food should contain four essential contents: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins. As per Rasyaha Snigdha Sthiraha Rudhya Ahara Satvika Priya 17-8, chastity of food, which makes chaste character, comes from it comes from it having four qualities: rasya, juicy; snigdha, lubricant; sthira, stable, not decaying too soon; rudya, rudya, hearty, pleasant. Since he digests the food, is he the digestive juices? Because it is the digestive juices which digest the food. As such, the entire bodies of all the geological world, Praninam Deha, are as designed and provided by him. None of us is born by self-will. Why think of only the digestive juices? The entire body is as designed and provided by him. Comes to mind a very good Marathi verse popularly sung together to start off a feast. वदनी कवळ घेता नाम घ्या श्री हरीचे सहज हवन होते नाम घेता पुकाचे जीवनवर करी जीवित्वा अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म उदर भरण नो हे जाणीते यज्ञ कर्म. When partaking of every bite, utter the name of Sri Hari. By that name, which is free of cost, the morsel of food becomes an offering to the sacrificial fire which burns in the stomach. Lead your life always keeping in mind that the food is wholesome Brahma, and eating food is not filling the belly but is yajna karma, performing the ritual of sacrifice into the fire. Comes to mind another Sanskrit verse: Harir Data, Harir Bhokta, Harir Annam Prajapati, Harir Viprasharire tu Bhunte Bhojayate Harihi. It is Harihi who provides Data. It is He who consumes Bhokta. He is the food itself. Harirannam. He is Prajapati, the creator of everything, of the food, of every grain of it, of the plate, of the body, of everything. Harihi is the knowledge. Harihi Vipraha. All the sensibilities, Shariretu, the taste et al in the body. It is He who consumes. It is He who is the causative, who causes the consumption. Bhungte consumes, bhojayate causative, causes the consumption. Hari. In Nirvana Shatkam, also known as Atma Shatkam, Srimad Shankaracharya takes the thought to astronomical level. Mano buddhyankara chittani naham न च श्रोत्र जिह्वे न च घ्राण नेत्रे न च व्योम भूमिर्न तेजो न वायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न च प्राण संज्ञो न वै पंचवायु न वा सप्त धातुर्न वा पंचकोशौ न वाक्पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न मे द्वेष रागौ न मे लोभ मोहौ मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्य भावो न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षश्चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न पुण्यम न पापम न सौख्यम न दुःखम न मंत्रो न तीर्थम न वेदा न यज्ञाः अहम भोजनम नैव भोज्यम न भोक्ता चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न मे मृत्यु शंका न मे जाति भेद पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बंधुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यश्चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभूत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मे यश्चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. Composed in Bhujanga Prayata meter, प्रत्येकस्मिन् पादे 12 अक्षराणि, चत्वारः यगणाः. 4 quarters of 12 letters each in 4 yagana triplets. It is so rhythmic and easy to recite and commit to memory, so that you can keep using, keep deliberating on it, keep assimilating it, keep reminding yourself what you are, what you are not. In gynecological practice, a newborn baby must emit a cry, which becomes proof that its breath is not stuck up. That cry is like the baby asking, Koham, who am I? Then the parents give it a name. The child starts realizing, Soham, I am that. With spiritual enlightenment, the person realizes, Soham Asmi, I am he. The spiritual practice unto such enlightenment is also called as Soham Sadhana. At the highest level, one should acknowledge Shivoham. Note, Sohamasmi is a Mahavakyam in Ishavasya Upanishad, Yajurveda. Below are 4 Mahavakyani as obtaining at https://hi.wikipedia.org/wiki/mahavakya, then crossroads colon etc. Aham Brahmasmi, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 1:4-10, Yajurveda. Tattvamasi, Chandogya Upanishad 6:8-7, Samaveda. Ayam Atma Brahma, Mandukya Upanishad, Atharvaveda. Prajnanam Brahma, Aitareya Upanishad. So, Aham Brahmasmi from Yajurveda, Tattvamasi from Samaveda, Ayam Atma Brahma from Atharvaveda, and Prajnanam Brahma from Rigveda. So, 4 Mahavakyani from the 4 Vedas. This Gita Abhyasa, as I said earlier, is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. Anyway, this study is Swanta Sukha, or self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.